Hi guys, this week for writing, we're going to talk some more about persuasive writing, and Miss Lorman's going to share with you some things that you can add into your persuasive papers to make them even better and hopefully to persuade someone to agree with you or to think the same thing as you, okay? So to get started, if you look at Miss Lorman's chart, and then I have a question for you guys. How many of you like Oreos? Miss Lorman does too. So if you look right here on this chart, this cookie kind of looks like an Oreo, doesn't it? So we are going to use an Oreo to help us with writing. Now, unfortunately, we're not writing about Oreos and it doesn't really have anything to do with cookies, but the letters that spell out Oreo are going to help us with writing. So with persuasive writing, remember that means that you're writing about something that you really like and you're trying to get someone else in your family or a friend to agree with you or to think the same thing as you. And so when we're writing it, a really great thing to think about is how we can persuade them. And so this Oreo is going to help us do that. So the first letter in Oreo is O, and O stands for opinion. And what that means is that you tell how you feel about the topic or how you feel about what you're writing about. So last week you guys wrote about your favorite animal. So your opinion was, my favorite animal is a, and I know a lot of you guys wrote that it was a cat or a dog, or we had someone write a zebra, a unicorn. So that's your opinion. You're telling everyone how you feel about the topic. After you tell your opinion, then you have to move on to the R. The R stands for reasons. What does it stand for? Reasons. Very good. So if you remember last week, you had to write about your favorite animal, and then you had to tell Miss Lorman 3 reasons why that was your favorite animal. And so your reasons are to support your opinion and to try to persuade someone to think the same thing or like the same thing as you. So usually we're always going to do 3 reasons why we like that thing, or 3 reasons that support our opinion, okay? And then next is the E for examples. And so an example just means that you give some more details to support your reasons and to support your opinion. So you could tell me, like last week when you wrote about your animals, you probably told me why it was your favorite animal and things that those animals do. Here in a minute, I'm going to show you what you guys are going to write about today and talk a little bit more about the examples that you could give. And then at the end of your persuasive paper, you go back to O, but it's still opinion, but this time you give us your opinion with feeling. So if you look right here, there's a little red heart, because a lot of the time when we talk about our feelings, Miss Lorman would kind of touch my heart, or we would make a little heart to remind us that that's what feeling is how it makes you feel. So those are all the steps you do. You tell us your opinion, you give us 3 reasons why you have that opinion or why you think that, then maybe you give us an example, and then at the very end you tell us your opinion again, but you also tell us how it makes you feel. So let me show you what you're going to get to do today. Now Miss Lorman already wrote mine because I didn't want to waste your time. So here's my paper, and I'll read it to you. It says, my favorite food is salad. Salad is healthy for you. You can put lots of veggies in it. Salad helps you grow. I love salad. Do you? So today, you are going to get to write another persuasive paper to someone in your family or to a friend and tell them about your favorite food, and then try to persuade them to have the same favorite food as you. So what Miss Lorman wants to do with the paper I already wrote is go through our Oreo and see if we can find all 4 of these things, okay? So the first thing we had to do was write our opinion. Write our what? Opinion. Remember, that's how you feel about the topic. And so usually your opinion is the very first sentence. Oh, and Miss Lorman almost forgot. Down here at the bottom, Miss Lorman wrote what are called sentence starters. And so these you might want to use to start off your paper. Like you may say, I think, or you may say, I believe, or maybe in my opinion, or my favorite. So Miss Lorman started my paper with my favorite because we're writing about our favorite foods. So I said, my favorite food is salad. So that very first sentence is my opinion. I'm telling you how I feel about the topic. I'm telling you what my favorite food is. So then next I have to give you reasons. And remember, we're giving 3 reasons. How many reasons? 3. 3 reasons why it's your favorite food. So after that, Miss Lorman said, salad is healthy for you. So that's one reason. You can put lots of veggies in it. That's Miss Lorman's second reason. And then I said, salad helps you grow. So that's 3 reasons. Now next is examples, but can I tell you a secret? A lot of the time, your examples can also be your reasons. Like an example that was also one of Miss Lorman's reasons is that salad helps you grow, or that salad is healthy for you. So your examples may be in your reasons. But remember, you have to have 3 reasons. Then at the end, you tell me your opinion again, but you tell it with what? With feeling. Very good. So then at the end, Miss Lorman said, I love salad. So that word love is letting you know how I feel, right? Right. So I said, I love salad. Do you? Because I'm asking, because remember, I'm trying to persuade someone else to also like salad as their favorite food. So hopefully today, when you're doing your persuasive paper about your favorite food, about your what? Your favorite food, you can use the Oreo to help you. Don't forget to have 3 reasons why it's your favorite food, and then at the end, tell me again that it's your favorite food, and then tell me with feeling, okay? And then when you're finished with your beautiful papers, which also don't forget to draw a picture with 5 or more colors, then take a picture of your paper and send it to Miss Lorman so I can see your wonderful persuasive papers about your favorite food. Bye guys.